Assalamu alaikum beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make okra, and 2 pounds. We need 2 pounds of okra, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 whole onion, garlic, ginger, green chilies, and we are going to chop all this stuff. So garlic miced, ginger miced, and onion chopped, and then we're gonna start frying. I start frying the onion. We are going to fry our okra, and fry this about 2 to 4 minutes. We are done with frying, so we need to add next the tomato paste. After adding tomato paste, we need to fry it for about a couple minutes too. So seasoning in salt and pepper, curry powder, turmeric, garam masala I'm adding, and there you go. And if you guys just like this video, please give a thumbs up, like and share, and subscribe to my channel, and comment below if you like this video. And I will see you guys inshallah in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Allah Hafiz.